In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix product shows as sold out despite inventory in Shopify. If you're seeing a product marked as sold out on your store even though you know there's stock on hand, the issue is usually tied to locations and whether a location is allowed to fulfill online orders. I'll walk you through the exact path to get this corrected so your customers can add the item to cart again. Start by opening your Shopify website and heading into your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, go to the Products section on the left. Choose the product you need to fix. On the product page, look for the inventory details. You'll see the breakdown by location. This is the key part. Even if you have inventory in your business, the location that your online store checks might be showing 0. When the location tied to online fulfillment has 0, the product appears sold out on your storefront. To change this, go down to Settings from the admin, typically found at the bottom left. Inside Settings, click Locations. This page lists every location where you store inventory, like your warehouse or retail store. Find the location that should be allowed to ship orders placed on your online store. Open that location's settings and enable the option to fulfill online orders from this location. Turning this on tells Shopify to count inventory from that location when determining whether a product is available for online purchase. Once that's enabled, head back to your product or refresh your storefront. The product will no longer show as sold out, and the purchase button will become available again. If you have multiple locations, remember that only locations enabled to fulfill online contribute to your online availability. So even if another location has stock, it won't matter until that location is allowed to fulfill online orders. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Give the change a moment to sync, then refresh the product page on your storefront to confirm the status update. Make sure you're reviewing the correct product and variant, especially if you sell different sizes or colors, since inventory and locations are tracked per variant. And if you recently moved stock between locations, double-check that you're looking at the location where the items actually sit. That's it. By enabling the right location to fulfill online, you align your inventory with your online store, and your customers will see the product as available again.